Welcome back to 20 Car. Every so often, an idea transcends its origin, transforming from blueprint to philosophy. The 2026 Xiaomi YU7 Unofficial Concept isn't merely a vehicle, it is the manifestation of a digital dream, wrapped in sculpted metal and humming with quiet determination. In a world saturated by noise, clutter, and combustion, YU7 glides in like a Zen riddle on wheels, something to be pondered, studied, and admired. It doesn't just transport, it transcends. Like a line of haiku embedded with AI, the Xiaomi YU7 is a gentle rebellion against tradition and a passionate embrace of the intelligent, connected future. It's not a car. It's conscious mobility, crafted with the serenity of stillness and the sharpness of a microchip. Exterior design review, where digital grace meets organic flow. From the moment your eyes meet the Xiaomi YU7 Concept, you're transported into a parallel world, one where motion is expressed as still poetry. The front fascia is utterly seamless. No grille. No vents. Just a tranquil surface with a pulsating Xiaomi logo that breathes softly when the vehicle is charging. The headlights are narrow, D-shaped beams composed of 1,000 individually controlled micro-LEDs. These aren't just lights, they're eyes. They adjust intensity based on pedestrian proximity, gesture recognition, and even emotional analytics from the driver. Painted in cloud quartz matte silver, the body is curvaceous but disciplined, like wind carving stone over centuries. The roofline flows uninterrupted into a sharp rear lip, enhanced by a continuous LED light bar that mimics a sunrise when turned on. The wheels? 21-inch turbine-inspired alloys with embedded kinetic sensors that convert motion into microcharging currents. Even your tires contribute to your battery life. Every detail whispers the future, without ever shouting. Interior design review, the calm core of an intelligent cocoon. Enter the YU7 Concept, and the world outside dims. The cabin greets you with a warm digital glow, soft ambient scents of sandalwood and eucalyptus. Yes, it has scent modules, and a 360 degrees holographic assistant named Me Spirit. The dashboard is an unbroken slab of synthetic onyx, housing an invisible 19-inch smart HUD that only appears when the driver is present. Below it, a haptic glass touchpad serves as the main interface, though most commands are vocalized or gesture-based. The seats are crafted from recycled microfibers fused with smart memory foam, able to adjust in shape, texture, and temperature in response to biometric readings. No buttons. No clutter. Just peace, presence, and panoramic sound courtesy of a 28-speaker directional audio dome. There is even a mind mode, wherein the car dims all displays, silences notifications, and plays binaural tones designed to induce calm. Think of it not as a cabin, but as a sanctuary in motion. Technical specifications review, a technological monk with lightning power. Platform, Xiaomi Hyperloop CEV architecture. Powertrain, Trimotor AWD, 1 front, 2 rear. Battery, 102 kWh solid-state graphene. Horsepower, 610 horsepower. Torque, 850 Nm. Range, 790 km WLTP 740 km EPA. Charging, 80% in 7 minutes, 550 kilowatts hypercharge. Operating system, HyperOS X with integrated IoT vehicle mesh. Autonomy, level 4+, cloud-connected urban AI navigation. Xiaomi didn't just design an EV, they coded an ecosystem. The YU7 connects to all your smart devices, including phones, homes, and even health monitors. It's not only aware of the road, it's aware of you. Performance is sculpted through a self-learning algorithm that tweaks torque distribution based on your driving patterns. The YU7 isn't just fast. It's fluid. Fuel consumption in city and highway. Efficiency is at the heart of the YU7. City, 13.2 kWh 100 km. Highway, 15.7 kWh 100 km. Combined range, 790 km WLTP, 740 km EPA. Regenerative braking efficiency, 22% enhanced over typical EVs. And the battery doesn't fade fast. Thanks to Xiaomi Cell Sense Thermal Guard, degradation is reduced to just 2% after 100,000 kilometers. 0 to 100 kilometers height acceleration review. From serenity to sheer speed, the YU7 Concept launches from 0 to 100 kilometers height in 3.6 seconds. But this isn't a violent surge. It's a wave, carefully modulated to deliver both excitement and safety. The torque curve is not a curve, it's a pulse that mirrors your heartbeat. And the launch is accompanied by a customizable, synthesized soundscape, from a whispering wind tunnel to an electronic symphony by Xiaomi's in-house composer. Buyer age range analysis. This is not a vehicle defined by age, it's defined by intention. 25, 40, smart city professionals, early tech adopters, AI lifestyle purists. 40, 60, eco-aware families and digital entrepreneurs. 60 plus, health-conscious, tech-savvy minimalists seeking ease and connection. The YU7 speaks equally to the heart of a coder and the soul of a poet. Comparison with competitors and other cars. Tesla Model 3, 2026, great performance, but less personality and fewer connectivity layers. YU7 is far more emotionally intelligent. BYD Seal 2026, a value-driven EV with solid tech, but lacks Xiaomi's AI immersion and cabin zen. Lucid Air Pure, a touch more luxurious, but significantly more expensive and less integrated with personal tech. NIO ET5 2026, stylish and smart, but doesn't offer Xiaomi's seamless HyperOS IoT synergy or interior biometrics. In short, the Xiaomi YU7 is more than a car, it's a digital organism. Car price evaluation. The expected launch price for the base model, if produced, is around $45,000, while the high-spec YU7 Master Trim is estimated at $59,000. For a vehicle that combines autonomous drive, solid-state battery, integrated AI, and connected life management tools, this price point feels almost charitable. It's luxury without arrogance. Tech without ego. Style without excess. Driving experience. Driving the YU7 Concept is like being inside a stream of intelligence. The adaptive steering system changes resistance based on driver pulse, stress level, and posture. Suspension adjusts to road memory, recalibrated through cloud-based terrain scanning. There's a focus mode, where the car limits speed and disables alerts, designed for meditation or deep thought drives. In coastal drive mode, the cabin simulates ocean breezes with scent diffusion, ambient sound, and soft lighting that mirrors sunset hues. You don't drive the YU7. You collaborate with it. Pros and cons analysis. Pros. Seamless integration with smart home, phone, and personal health devices. Elegant minimalist design with powerful visual identity. 790 kilometers range plus 7-minute charging. Emotionally intelligent cabin with full AI personalization. Level 4 plus autonomous capability. Affordable for its feature set. Cons. Not yet officially confirmed for production. All-glass roof may be polarizing in hot climates. Gesture-only controls may intimidate traditional users. Full functionality depends on Xiaomi ecosystem integration. Car purchase value assessment. Value in the 2026 Xiaomi YU7 is not just in specs, it's in philosophy. Where most EVs sell performance or luxury, the YU7 sells peace of mind, connection, and a frictionless relationship with the future. It reduces your effort while amplifying your intention. From environmental responsibility to technological harmony, the YU7 is a wise investment in intelligent living. After-sales service evaluation. Xiaomi's automotive division plans to leverage its 20,000-plus global service centers and retail ecosystem, supported by AI-guided diagnostics. The YU7 will offer real-time predictive maintenance alerts, OTA firmware upgrades, and live chat support through Mi Spirit. 3 years of Hypercare Plus coverage, maintenance, diagnostics, OTA, and battery health scans will be included. Maintenance cost review. With its modular design, the YU7 simplifies ownership. Estimated annual maintenance, $300, $450. Brake pad wear is reduced 70% thanks to advanced regen braking. Self-cleaning air filters reduce HVAC servicing. Solid-state battery requires no fluid maintenance or periodic calibration. This isn't just low maintenance. It's almost maintenance-free. Car insurance cost analysis. Thanks to its active safety, AI driver analytics, and predictive driving models, YU7 qualifies for Xiaomi's Mi Guardian insurance plan, featuring Featuring real-time driving score discounts, emergency SOS integration, adaptive insurance rates, based on route risk level. Average monthly cost, $105. Expect lower rates with verified use of Level 4 autonomy and safe driving scores. Conclusion: a conscious machine for a conscious age. The 2026 Xiaomi YU7 Unofficial Concept isn't trying to be the fastest, flashiest, or most luxurious EV. It's aiming for something deeper. It wants to know you, to evolve with you. It dares to ask, what if a car could feel? What if a commute could become meditation? What if your vehicle was the most harmonious part of your day? In a world obsessed with horsepower, the YU7 obsesses over harmony. In an age of noise, it chooses resonance. And in the race toward the future, it quietly, confidently, and